Hello, fourth grade. This week we're playing around with partial products. Partial products is something that you would have used in third grade quite a bit. What's nice about it is it just allows you to break down numbers into smaller numbers to work with them. No problem. If you look at 7 times 8, you know it's 56, you wouldn't use partial products. If we want to use partial products in 7 times 8, we would actually say, we could either say, well, we know that 5 plus 3 is 8, so we are left with 7 5s plus 7 3s. We know 7 5s is 35, we know 7 3s is 21, so we know we have an answer of 56. And or, another way you may look at it is 7 times 8, or 7 groups of 8, is the same as 8 times 7, or 8 groups of 7. So we could say, well, let's break down this 7 into 5 plus 2. So we could say we have 8 5s, and we have 8 2s. We know 8 5s is 40, 8 2s is 16, so again we have an answer of 56. Another thing you could have done, I won't play it all the way out, but just to look at it, what if you broke down this initial one and you actually said, well, I'm going to look at it, because I know that 8 is 10 minus 2. So I could say 7 10s is 70, 7 2s is 14, what's 70 minus 14? That's also 56. So there's literally so many different ways you can decompose the number. Just remember, once you do it, you're multiplying that first, when you're saying you have so many groups of that number is being multiplied by both numbers that you break apart. So let's look at the 8 13s. Again, you may look at it and say, well, I know that 13 is the same as 10 plus 3, so I have 8 10s, and I have 8 3s. Well, we know 8 groups of 10 is 80, 8 3s is 24, so we have an answer of 104. Another way you may have looked at it is, again, everybody's different. Maybe you actually, let's do this in blue. Maybe when you had your 13 groups of 8, maybe you actually said, well, I would rather break that into 4 plus 4 is 8, because I know 13 4s. Well, 13 plus 13 is 26. 26 plus 26 is 52. So 13 4s is 52. 13 4s is 52. Again, I still get 104. Again, or you could have done this. You could have said, well, I have 13. I know 8 is 10 minus 2, so I have 130. Lose 26, and again I get that 104. Partial products is, oh my gosh, there's so much you can do with it, and it's just a great way to play around with multiplication. If you have any questions, please ask, but ultimately just enjoy your opportunity to learn more.